Hello everybody, how you doing? This is Fahad and this video is about the important property in CSS. So the important rule in the CSS is used to add more importance to the property or the value than the normal. Alright, so this is kind of just simple thing. Alright, so now you can see here, this is the code of the specificity that we have used in the last video. So it is kind of similar to this thing, so I'm just simply gonna use here. Okay, as we know, the element have the least score, class have greater than the element score, and then we have the inline style. Okay, for example, I just want to add the color of my element. To increase the importance of element or h2, I just have to add important. Okay, it will override all the other styling values. Okay, so this is how it works. So if you just want to give the importance to any particular or any less scoring component, so you can just simply add the important to it and it will override all the other values. And how to override the important value? In order to override the important value, the only way to override the important value is to add more important values. Okay, for example, this is the element one and it has a 1 score, and this is the class and it has a 10 score. If I say simply add the important here, it will just kind of create the competition between this one element and the score element and the class one. In this kind of scenario or in this kind of situation, the one with the higher value or higher score of specificity will win. Okay, the specificity of the class in this scenario is higher than the element one. Now we would have the different color, we would have the dark cyan color. Okay, so you can also use it with the id, but it will kind of confusing, because if I just add one more here and remove all of these important value, it will kind of have the same effect. So try to use only when it is really necessary to use. Okay, so you can also add up here in the h3. For example, I want to give more importance to this color fuchsia, so you just have to add important here and it will have its importance and it will override all the other values that we have used for h3 regardless of its priority. Okay, so this is how it works, and if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and bye bye.